So I will be talking about the teaching aids and the areas in primary education. So to start up with, I would like to say that this is the most important and most crucial part of a child's life. So the foundation we lay now will be a strong big building in the future if we nurture them correctly. For that, we need to get into the child's shoes to understand it. So now I will be talking about the teaching aids. We have different types of teaching aids. The first one is called the traditional method, and the second one is visual aids, and the next one is audio aids, as well as we have audio visual aids. To extend it, I will say some examples which our teachers in the primary section use. Number one is classroom realia. That means the actual objects which are related to the lesson. The next one will be flashcards, pictures, charts, and the most important thing is actions. So, to go up with, I will now talk about the areas we touch. In primary education, the most important thing is having a common chat with a child. That means we use the subject circle time. We share our thoughts, we relate stories and all. And the other things are literacy and language, mathematical activities and environmental activities, and arts and crafts. So to conclude, in my point of view, as teachers, we are responsible to manure the blooming buds in the future. Therefore, we should use all these teaching aids very properly and effectively.